Equipped with the innovative set mode, the Fenix PD36R ACE series flashlights provide multiple lighting solutions to meet diverse needs in unpredictable and challenging scenarios. Among the products in the series, the PD35R ACE, PD36R ACE, and PD26R ACE all share the same operational logic, but they come with different configurations as detailed below. Now, we will use the PD35R ACE to demonstrate how to operate the set mode.
PD35R ACE has 3 operation switches in total: the tail tactical switch, the neck-mounted switch, and the set switch. Tap to turn on the light momentarily, release it, and the light will go out. Fully press to turn on the light constantly, and fully press it again to turn off the light. When you turn on the flashlight, just click that neck-mounted switch to pick your output. The first time you turn it on, it'll automatically kick in with option 3, which give you 5 brightness levels to choose from. So, when you're using this flashlight and the default option 3 isn't cutting it, the set mode of PD35R ACE has got your back. It features 3 awesome lighting options, plus a customizable strobe mode, giving you the perfect lighting solution for any situation. Next, we'll start the detailed operation introductions. Loosen the light neck to reveal the hidden set switch. Make sure you've got the light turned on. Then single-click the set switch to cycle through 3 options. You've got options for 1, 3, and 5. Those are the output amounts you can choose from. Just a heads up though, those don't include the strobe and SOS modes. Single-click the set switch to select option 1. There's only 1 turbo output. Long press the next switch to enter the strobe mode. Long press it again to recall the previously used output. Single-click the set switch to select option 2. Single-click the next switch to cycle through 3 outputs. Long press the next switch to enter the strobe mode. Long press it again to recall the previously used output. Single-click the set switch to select option 3. This option has 5 outputs. Single-click the next switch to cycle through 5 outputs. Long press the next switch to enter the strobe mode. Single-click it to switch to the SOS mode. And long press it again to return to the previously used output. By default, the strobe mode is turned on in all options. If you want to turn it off, just long press the set switch and the flashlight will blink twice to confirm the selection. If you want to turn it on again, just repeat this step. After turning off the strobe mode, press and hold the neck-mounted switch to get into the SOS mode in option 3. The PD35R ACE is powered by a 4000 mAh battery. Please keep in mind to insert the battery with the anode side towards the light head. Loosen the light neck and then connect the USB Type-C end of the charging cable to the charging port. Red light in charging. Green light fully charged. Each time the light is turned on, the indicator will show the current battery level.